How many planets are there? Seems like a simple question at first, right? There are 8 planets. Rest in peace, Pluto. Now, while that is true inside the solar system, let's think outside of the sphere for a second. So what about exoplanets? They're called exoplanets after all. The Kepler Space Telescope was able to find a few thousand of them, and the topic of today's video, TESS, is aimed to enhance our knowledge and discover even more planets. So stay tuned to find out all about the TESS mission and how NASA was able to plan it. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, will add a tool to the arsenal we pull from when attempting to search for exoplanets that could potentially harbor life. Now, discovering exoplanets deserves its own video, so I won't go into too much detail in this one. But TESS has a rather specific goal. It will look coarsely across the sky for transiting exoplanets. From this initial data, we should be able to determine if that exoplanet is a good target for the upcoming NASA flagship mission, James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. James Webb will then look more precisely at individual exoplanets and look for the signs of life. TESS was built to measure the light from stars within 300 light years from the sun. Now, while this doesn't seem like an exceedingly far distance, that includes several 100,000 stars that could potentially have habitable worlds. Now, TESS is specifically looking at red dwarf stars purely because they are more common in such close proximity to the sun. One such red dwarf is actually the star in the TRAPPIST-1 system, which was announced about a year ago to have numerous exoplanets. The TRAPPIST-1 system is a perfect example of what TESS is searching for. The TRAPPIST-1 system was discovered with a ground-based telescope, so having a space-based telescope looking for similar worlds could have some astonishing results. Together, TESS and JWST provide a valuable tag team to pinpoint and identify potentially inhabited worlds. That is exciting. Although this launch doesn't seem to be hyped up to the level of some others, nevertheless it's still a very important step in our efforts to understand the cosmos. You should expect some significant results in a few months regarding the findings of TESS. So now, how many planets would you say there are? Hopefully soon enough we will have tens of thousands of planets on our list. Dream big. We would never know what was out there unless we looked. We would never hear life unless we listened. And we'd never advance unless we dreamed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are as excited as I am for this mission. By the time you watch this video, TESS will already be on its way. But I need to wrap up right now so I can go watch the launch myself. So subscribe for more, let your friends and family know about this mission, and please comment below, let me know if you're excited. Oh, and don't forget, be curious. So we have a TESS in space and a Tesla in space. That's just fantastic.